Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a free AI website builder. So if you want to build a website, then you can use this service. This website is really cool for building free websites or even making website mockups. So when you want to create a website and you are not sure about the design or the layout of your new website, then you can also use this tool. And here you can see it is relatively simple. All you have to do is give the website name and describe the website purpose, what your website is all about. And then this tool will create your new website. Of course, it's not a very complex website like if you have a WordPress website or something like this. And also, you cannot implement special functionalities. But if you want to have a quick, relatively good looking website, then you can use this service. And in this video, I want to show you how this works. The capabilities of this tool. Here you can see this website is for free. You can build this for free. And you can see it's mobile optimized, flexibility, zero cost. So this is for free. And of course, if you want to have your own domain name, of course, then you have to pay for this. But for a subdomain, you can create a subdomain with this and test around, play around with this tool. Then this is perfect, or even create mockups. Here you can see everything. I will put the link to this website in the video description down below, so you can check it out and read everything yourself. You can see it is fast, cost effective, user-friendly interface, customization, round-the-clock operation and scalability, so on and so forth. And now I want to show you how this works. And now, I want to build a test website. Then all we have to do is we can use this window here, or we can sign up. But for testing, let's use this window here to start everything. So I created the content for a test company. So the test company name, let me copy this, is paste it in here, is Green Grid Solutions. And then let's click here on build my free website. Now we have to input some informations, of course. What kind of industry are you in? We are in the following industry. We are in renewable energy consulting. Let me put this in here. Renewable energy. And then the next step, would you like to display your business location on your new website? For now, let's click here on skip because this is only a fake company. So then let's click on skip. Now the next information we have to provide. Would you like to display your business phone number on your new website? Let's put in a fake phone number. So I don't know. And then click on next. What do you know about your customers? Here you can choose if you target male or female customers. Then let's keep it in the middle. For now, both female and male. Click on next. And now we can AI generate a logo for our company. Then let's or we can upload a logo if we have a company logo. I don't have a company logo because this is a fake company. I will click on next here. So then we can choose the primary color. I want to go with green. Make it a little bit darker. So this is good. Then generate site. Now our website will get generated. Here you can see it's building the structure, building the theme, and filling the website with information. I think this can take a little bit. Okay, and here's our new website. Wow, this looks really good. So you can see we have a video in the header section and our company name in the hero section here, and also on the left side we can edit the page content. Let's have a look at the complete website. You can see here we can edit the section. So if we don't like the image, for example, or if we want to change the text, then we can do this. This is the next section. Let me click on this section, for example. Here you can see now we have this menu here on the left side where we can edit the text, delete the section. We can choose between different fonts. Okay, now we get prompted to create a new account. Let me do this real quick. Okay, now I created my free account. Was yeah, really easy. Simply put in your email address and your name, and then you have your free account. And yeah, let's where can we go back to editing? Let's customize site, or let's click on view site. How this website look. Here you can see we get our own, oh no, you cannot see this, but we get our own domain name for free. Of course, it's a subdomain, but whatever. Yeah, and we even have a contact form. So if someone uses the contact form, then this message will get sent to our email address. This is really nice. And yeah, I really like this. You can see we have different subpages. We click on our services. Oh, okay, no, this is only for this section. We have a menu. Yeah, looks good. Let's go back and let's go to customize site. Here you can see we can edit the contact us section. Email list, we can choose an email list if we want to. We can change the styling. Yeah, this is, I really like this. So here's our domain name, and we can create a new page. Let's about us. Infos about the company, create page. Now the AI is creating our new page, and yeah, here is our new page. You can see we already have a video in the hero section. Of course, we can change this. I think. Let me go here. Yeah, browse media, so we can we can change the hero video. We can choose another hero video, or we can upload an image. Yeah, this is good. Let me go back. And we can edit everything. I really like this. Where can I go back? Here I can go back. No. Here I can switch between the pages. You can see back to our home page. This is our home page. Yeah, this is really easy. You get a free domain name. Everything is done for you. And yeah, if you need a quick website, or if you need a mock-up website, so if you want to create a professional WordPress website and you are not sure about how to create the website, or how to style the website, how to do the layout, how you can do the design, then yeah, why not starting with this AI website, play around here, and then yeah, recreate it with WordPress or something like this. I really like this tool. So yeah, you can check this website out for yourself. It's completely free. Like I said before, the link to the website is in the video description down below. Check it out, play around with this. Everything is free here. And yeah, so then that's it for the video, I think. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And also, yeah, if you found the video informative, if you like the video, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, every like, every subscription count. And then, yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.